So I assigned myself with a project today. I am going to go through all of my makeup, and this isn't even all of it. Like, I need to go get more of it. This is all, if you can't see, there's 3 drawer bins, so this is 6 drawers. This isn't all makeup, but it's mostly like skincare, makeup, all that stuff. I have this big thing. I have these trays, and I just need to organize my life. And then when I'm done, I am going to show you guys how I have finally organized my makeup and how I keep myself sane, because right now I'm literally like, I don't know what to do with myself. Like, I looked at it this morning and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so unorganized. I have so many things and it's just too much. So I'm going to get organizing. Is all Ipsy and Birchbox things that I haven't touched. Coffee break. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little break and then I'm gonna get right back, and then when I'm all done, you guys are gonna see how it's organized. So excuse the noise, my mom's taking a shower downstairs and you can hear the water, whatever. So I finished my makeup storage. Now the hard part is going to be figuring out what are my everyday products and putting them in this drawer right here, because this is where I kept like most of, ew, sticky stuff right there, I gotta fix that. This is where I kept most of my like all makeup, and now I have, this is like where we keep our towels and stuff. I'm sorting everything down here. So this used to have towels in it, and now it's bath stuff, bath salts, bath bombs, body scrubs. These two are gonna be towels. This is feminine products, period stuff, grossness. This is hairstyling tools. And that is all shampoo and conditioner that I haven't used in literally 6 months. So I don't know why I still have it. Okay, now for the fun part. Starting up here, this is my little like hand creams, body butters. This first one is lips, because I don't have a lot of lip colors. This is lipsticks. This is lip balms, like chapsticks and everything. This is headbands. That is miscellaneous, like hair clips, hair things. And this is nail stuff, like nail files. Moving down here. This first drawer is my sickness. Brushes. Oh my goodness. Like, I can't even fathom how many brushes are in there, so I'm just going to close that. This is face, and what I mean, face and hair. So I have face masks, face sprays, yeah, moisturizers, and then back there I have like little hair mask things. Again, mostly this stuff is, I have a lot of stuff because I get like Ipsy subscriptions and Birchbox, and I just have a shopping problem. Okay, so this third one is face. So I put primers, powders, blushes, setting powder. This is like a blush stick. I don't even know what that is. Little primers. Okay, moving down to the lower one. This is eyes. This is all my palettes that I've ever had in my entire life, and little like this is an Urban Decay eyeshadow from Birchbox, little Ulta shadows, my Tartiste stuff to go. This one is eyes, so eyeliners, mascaras, brows. I count brows as eyes. Mascaras, eyelash curlers, and lastly is foundation, which I thought I had a lot more foundation, but I actually don't. This is definitely my everyday one, the Born This Way, but I also have like BB creams. That's a BB cream. That's a really good, ooh, it's dirty, but that's a really good foundation. The Maybelline, Rimmel, sorry, not Maybelline. This is the one that I tested, the Dermacol. I'll link that right up here. I tried this one like once. Anyway, could do a whole video like going through everything if we want. But now the hard part is going to be deciding what is my everyday stuff and where the heck am I going to store all that. I have these like little basket things. I thought I had another one, but I have a purple one and I have a white one. They don't really match. I don't really care. And then I have these two things which I was storing brushes in. I got this from a brush set. It's like a Real Techniques thing. And then this I got from like Home Goods or something. It's like a little cup. I'm out of breath. That was hard. But yeah, so now I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna store in that drawer, how I'm gonna store all this stuff. So be right back. Okay, that was actually easier than I thought. That took like 5 minutes. I went through each drawer and I picked my like favorite one. And in my brushes one, I just picked like random brushes, like some that I haven't used in a while, some that I like, some of my new ones. So I'll show you. So I can't see. Okay. So this is like full of brushes. My big fluffy brush from Sam. Here, I'll put it here. Ignore my messy sink and counter. I'm taking care of that. I have a fluffy brush, a contour brush, highlighter brush, eyes, face, like everything that I'll need every day. I included my moisturizer in here, my new favorite moisturizer. I love this one. I included this from Lush. It's Grease Lightening. This is what I use when I feel a blemish coming on. And in my little everyday stash, I have my Born This Way foundation. I have my Naked Skin, my new favorite primer, Ulta Beauty Color Correcting, my little beauty blender, brow gel from NYX, a new mascara, which is like double-sided that I got in my Ipsy subscription, which is cool, my new eyelash curler from Birchbox, a lip balm, setting spray from Ulta, the Ulta bronzer, the Laura Mercier setting powder, which is a favorite, and then this big beautiful palette, oh hello, from Revolution. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will also go through all of my makeup products if you guys want to, and I'll tell you everything that I have, and if I've used it, if I like it, and that would be a really fun video actually. Might just do that for myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!